New in Stella version 3.8 is the ability to use sections to organize your interface development. So if you're building an interface and you've got a lot of pages and you want to put them in a more organized manner, you can use a new feature called Sections to help you out. You can access the Sections feature from the context menu, hitting Add New Section. We'll create a new section here called Introduction. And then it pops up if a template that we want to use for this section. And in this case, we're going to say a blank page. We can then come back to our interface and take a page like this, scenario 1 intro, cut it, come to our introduction section, right click, paste it, and now the page is in the section. We'll remove this blank one, go back to our interface. And we can now take this Let's Play button, and instead of going to an unknown page, we can navigate to Section, Introduction, Section 1 Intro. That way now when people go through, it looks to them as if it was the same as it always has been, that all of the sections are directly related to each other. But to you, as the interface developer, your content is now organized in a way that makes it easier for you to find it and work with it.